Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now we got a dope video for you today, but before we get into it, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content, follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Guys, so we got summer just around the corner, and when it gets to be that nice sunny weather, you'll catch me outside in some slides probably 90% of the time. So I actually got a message on Instagram from this company called DRACO Slides telling me that they want to send me a free pair to have me check out and review on the channel. You know, so I told them, send them my way, I'll check them out and give you guys an honest review. Now with my channel, if any company wants to send me some of their items to review on the channel, I will review them, but I will also give an honest review. I'm not lying to you guys. Honestly, I care more about my subscribers, the people who actually mess with my channel and support me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys and give you a false review and tell you to go buy so-and-so's company. I just gotta put that disclaimer out there. If I like these slides, it's because I truly like them. And if I don't like them, that's my opinion, and you guys can take this video and decide for yourself. So with that being said, they did send it in this little bag right here. So it came shipped, it was bubble wrapped, came inside of a bag, was protected nicely. I took it out and I went to open it. I was like, hey, I better do this on the review. You know, just go through the unboxing experience together. So first off, I gotta say the quality on this bag is A1. Look at the materials on here, very soft. You guys can see that DRACO logo right there, pretty dope. And then their Instagram tag on the back. So go give them a follow, check them out, and let's open this bad boy up. So, does come wrapped up, goes to the side. Yo, these already look tough. These already look tough. Let's open this up. Yo, the quality is actually really nice. I like the feeling on the bottom right here where your feet's gonna be touching. Very just like soft, nice quality material. So right off the bat, I'm pretty impressed. They are fairly heavy for some slides. So we're definitely gonna check these out on feet, see how they feel. But before we do that, let's just look at the materials up close. So looking at this material, so actually they use the same Primeknit upper that the Yeezy 350s use. So that is very cool. Now there is 3M running along this design, so you know when you hit it with that flash, you're gonna get that nice pop. Gonna be perfect for your Instagram photos and all that good stuff. Definitely can't go wrong with some 3M. Now they have this interesting strap design on the top of the slide. So it has this little like buckle thing right here. So you just pop that up. You can, you know, loosen it. And you can pretty much take this all apart. Now looking at the inside of the slide, like I said, the nice material running through here. It is this foam material. It's supposed to form to your foot. So after a few wears, you know, it's gonna kind of form to how your foot is shaped, which is definitely a good thing. You guys can see the DRACO logo in black. Then you can see the traction patterns on the bottom of the slide. So we definitely will check that out once we put on feet. So I did forget to mention this is the cookies and cream colorway. They gave me a few options of slides to pick out of, and this is the one I went with just because you really just can't go wrong with a black and white sneaker, slide, you know, really anything, clothing, hats, all that. Black and white's gonna match everything. Plus with the majority of the slide being white, I think it's really gonna pop in the summer, especially with that 3M. You get some light flashing on there. Now the sizing on here is a size 9 to 10. I am a true size 10, so I'm really hoping these fit right. We're gonna get into that here in a second. Now before we get into the on foot part of the video, DRACO Slides is actually doing a sale right now. They're doing buy one get one 50% off, so take advantage of that. With that being said, I do have a code in the description below that will save you 20% off on your purchase. Make sure you use the link in the description below. Now with that being said, let's check these bad boys out on feet.
I'm thinking my stubbornness brings the worst for me. Instead of hurting everybody, I'm just hurting me. Trying to do everything right, but it's no perfect me. I'm only human that's living, and that's for certainty. I gotta reach the highest plateau when I rise vertically. I'm too ahead of the curve, there ain't no curve in me. Watching the baby going platinum got me proud like I'm his dog. Frankly, to see how that boy came up was truly encouraging. Locks blowing away, you see them.
Bam! The DRACO slides in the cookies and cream colorway. I'ma say it right now, DRACO slides have the best slides in the game as of today. Like, they really went off. Like, I'm not just saying that. I'm not saying it because they sent me a free pair. I'm telling you guys, if you get this slide, you will not be disappointed. I've seen a lot of really cool colorways as well. Now, the slides are fairly pricey. I want to say they're around like 80 bucks for a slide, which some might consider pretty steep for a slide, but then you got some like Yeezys going for over 100, and we all know those things are butt ugly. I promise you, on foot, the little adjustments is gonna come in handy, because if you're trying to like keep the slide very tight on your feet for whatever reason, you can tighten it up and it like is really secure on your foot. Or if you're someone like me who just likes to slide their foot in, you know, kind of mosey around, walk slowly, that's me like majority of the time. I am beyond grateful that DRACO slides saw my YouTube, thought I was doing good or whatever, thought I'd make a great video, sent these my way. Like, I found my new favorite slide right here. So I definitely will be getting myself more colorways of these slides. Now, before we end this video, me and DRACO slides did team up to do a giveaway for you guys. So there's gonna be 2 winners on this giveaway. You'll be able to pick any colorway of slide, any size. All you gotta do is follow some simple rules to be entered in the giveaway. How do you enter? Simple. You're gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel, you're gonna follow my Instagram, make sure you're following DRACO slides Instagram as well. Then in this video, comment down below fire slides. I will select the winners for this giveaway at the end of March, so you have the end of March to enter in this giveaway. And like I said, I will be picking 2 winners, so don't sleep. DRACO slides, man, these guys killed it. Let me know what you guys think of this slide. What do you think of the on foot portion of this video? Let me know all that good stuff. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed.